Well, today I've added another tool to my arsenal of tools. I've actually had these Honda EU2000i generators for a number of years, and I really like them. These are great little generators. They're very lightweight, portable, very fuel efficient and quiet, and they will power most small power tools. Things like my worm drive saw, my table saw and chop saw, it'll run those, but they don't have full power available. If all I'm doing is ripping cedar shingles or something like that, then it's no problem. But if I want to push something bigger into the table saw, the power is just not there in the saw, and it ends up overloading the generator and tripping the generator on overload. But fortunately I have two of these generators, and Honda has made it very easy to parallel them for double the output. All you have to do is buy a set of these paralleling cables, and they're very simple to hook up. It's just one ground wire, and then the cables themselves are just banana style plugs. They just plug right in. That's all there is to it. And really there's nothing special you got to do. All you have to do is start both generators, and then you have double the output. So I went ahead and set these generators up in parallel today. I've got this 1200 watt light tower right here, and this worm drive Bosch skill saw. And normally this would not be something that one generator could handle. It may or may not start the saw, it may trip on overload, but the saw wouldn't be usable. If you tried to push it into any material, it would just run out of power and the generator would trip on overload. So we'll go ahead and see how these two generators handle the load of the light and the saw. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start this generator up, and it'll power the light. Even though I don't have this generator running and the light's plugged into this generator, it will power that outlet through these paralleling cables. Then we'll go ahead and start the skill saw and just see how it behaves. As you can see, the overload light lid on here on the saw was very slow to come up to speed. If I tried to push that into any material, it just wouldn't have any power. Let's go ahead and start the other one up. This generator's picked up half the load of that light. If I go ahead and start the saw again, it ought to come up to speed a whole lot faster, and we shouldn't see the overload lights indicate. Well, that worked out great. I'm really looking forward to carrying two of these down to the next job site where I need to use a few bigger tools instead of setting up my spider box and one of my bigger generators.